Well, hello Internet people. Lloyd from Historic Outdoors. We're in my study and we're going to do a little gear review today. So I was at the Grohmann Knife Factory and they were closed. And they had a sign on the door saying bang on the door to pick up your order. Talked to the lady there and she's like, oh, bird flu, can't sell you a knife, have to order it online. So ordered it online. Went back a few days later and knocked on the door and the same lady's like, here's your knife. So anyway, I got myself a lock blade knife, and this is how they packaged it up. And this is my details, and it says I paid $127.65 after the government got its 15%. And so they used a paper bag. Don't need that. Comes in this leather sheath, and I'm a little bit disappointed in the leather quality on the sheath because other Grohmann products I've had kind of had a nicer quality one. And this is a rosewood handled folding Grohmann knife. And it's got a little red sticker on it there. I'm not sure what that's for, but it's gone now. And this is a second. And I need glasses, but I've never been able to tell the difference between a full price one and a 50% clearance one. So I bought a clearance one, because why would you want to pay $200 and some for a knife when you can buy one for $100 and some and it's the same damn thing. So yeah, I'll bring the camera in so you can take a little bit better look at this. This is going to be a quick review. So I got the camera zoomed in so you can kind of see this. The leather sheath here is looks like veg tan. They haven't put any edge coat really on the edge like they used to. It's got a brass snap. Machine stitched, and a couple of holes punched here with a slit between them, and there's your sheath. So I might make a new one for it because I do leather work, so I'm a little bit fussy with my leather work. I guess this isn't so bad. I put some neat split to it, and neat split might rot the stitches, but yeah, I don't know, it's a sheath. And as for the knife itself, kind of heavy, kind of big, but it's definitely going to work for what I want it to do. I got a couple other Grohmann knives, so for comparison, this here's the boat knife, which is a good working knife. This is pretty good for camping, and actually they issue these in the Canadian Forces, and the sheath to that is significantly better. And this is the original D.H. Russell Grohmann belt knife, and again the sheath to that is considerably better. Both of those I've oiled quite a bit with neat split oil. But essentially what I was looking for in this is I was looking for a folding version of this knife, which more or less I have now. The handle is a bit thicker, it's a bit bulkier, but that's one of the trade-offs. This thing here, I can fold it up, I can put it in a sheath and nobody's ever going to see it. I can put it in my pocket, as opposed to like going to work with one of these fixed blade knives on your belt. Might raise some eyebrows or ask some questions. So I wanted one of these for doing lunch prep and little chores that I find myself doing at work, and also impromptu canoe trips. I don't have to go, oh, where did I put my knives? I've got a belt knife, it does the exact same thing. So yeah, I haven't been able to find out why this is a second. There's probably some minor flaw that if you looked at it with magnifying glass you could find it, but I don't know how to find it, so I always buy seconds, and I recommend you do the same, you know, unless you're buying some collector's piece. But they make so many of these, I don't know if they'll ever be collector's pieces. So I really don't have that much in the way of tests that I do for knives, but this is my receipt here, and I can poke into it right from the factory with no effort at all. Just slices through that like a hot knife through butter. So I tried massacring my receipt with this, and didn't really want to chop the corner off the receipt paper. Sometimes it works better with this heavier paper, so we'll give it a try here. Yeah, no, a little bit disappointed. It's almost like Grohmann's gone downhill a little bit since. Okay, maybe it's me, don't know. But anyway, there you have it. Folding Grohmann belt knife. So, cuts paper anyway, so pretty sure it'll cut my lunch. If you like the kind of content I'm doing, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Feel free to comment. I always like getting back to people with the comments. And as always, if you don't like the content, share it with your enemies, and I will punish them for free.